factory. So I'm here to show you one machine, and this machine, this is our new bag and valve filling machine. Okay, so it's designed as a U shape. You can see there's U shape and it's one compact design. So about the meters, it's like 2 by 3.5 meters. Okay, so here this is the packing table. So the cans, after putting the cans here, the cans will go through this way and come out from this way here. So this is the packing table. Okay, and here behind there you can see this is the dosing cylinders, like all the cylinders in one steel platform. And here we have the Siemens PLC control. Okay? Here you can easily operate the machine. Okay? There's so many functions. And here, so here this is the filling station, right? So inside the filling station we have 3 bag on valve liquid heads, and behind there there's 3 bag on valve crimping heads. And you can see here there's all of our pneumatic parts, SMC, okay, pneumatic parts. And behind there there's some sensor. Here you can see this is the pressure gauge to control the inner pressure inside the cans. Okay, so this is the bag and valve. Okay, so now let's test and run the machine.